Hello sanibona kubo bonke ababukeli nabalandeli be-Dope Hot and Fresh. Sikulethela yona isegment ye-Dope Hot and Fresh Local Sports lana khona besikulethela khona exclusively iBetal Top 8 Soccer Tournament la bekubambane khona kuma-final. I-Redbird ibambane khona ne-Winter Roses la zishukane khona esombeni sokuqala nesombe sesibili bamisa wona amagoli bahluleka ukukora nkosiyami bathe hawu zaze ziyofika kuma-penalties la khona i-Winter Roses ishaye khona i-Redbird ngo-5-4 kuma-penalty. Yey, asikulethele lama-highlight uzokwazi ukuthi uzibonele ukuthi kwenzakeleni. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, leave a comment on some of the videos that you watch so that you are able ukuthi sikhuthale nathi sikwenzele umsebenzi obukekayo uzokwazi ukuthi nawe la ukhona emakhaya la bongathiwa ukho khona ukwazi ukuthi ulandele ukuthi bekwenzakalani in your community. We are uplifting the community. This is Dope Hot and Fresh. Let's say if it's Dope Hot and Fresh, we've got to talk about it. Let's get straight to it.
Chacho, amandikiwa.
Hayi ngiyabonga kuwina le tournament bengidlala manje lana. Ngidlalile ngaze ngafika ku final sukela kuma group stages ngaze ngafika ku final vele. Ngiyabonga kuwina le tournament. Sengizokhona nami kwenza ezinye izinto ze-team. Ngidlalile nama team mara bengayithembi ukuthi le game lena ngizoyiwina. Ngamandla kaNkulunkulu ngakhona ukuthi ngiwine le game.
Yini elenzile ne team yakho from the beginning of the tournament plana ukuthi yile ndlela siwa lama team esobhekana nawo siwangena kanje until siye ku final sikwazi ukuthola le thatha le final le top 8.
Sisebenzile namadoda vele ejimini kakhulu nama player sa plana vele ukuthi le tournament ena sizoyithatha. Yabo hayi ukuningi vele sikulungisa ejimini kakhulu.
Okay, looking forward now ngoba ngizwile ukuthi ngathi i-league seyizoqala imapha ama preparation abantu yini abangakulindela kule league njengoba kuyiwa kuvula i-league kuzovula i-league.
Abantu abangakulindela kuzovula i-league sona bangalindela okuhle ngokuthi vele simisele ukuthi nayo le league sithathe vele ngokuyimisela kwethu. And amadoda ama player mangayimisela ngalendlela emisele ngayo ngethemba vele ukuthi le league sizoyithatha.
So upho ufuna ukukusho kuma players akho after nje bawine le tournament
into engisho
motivator
into engishoyo kuma player ami kuyimisela ayimiselile kule tournament lena ngisacela ukuthi nangelinye ilanga badlale ngalendlela abadlala ngayo. Ngiyabonga.
Ucaptain uphi captain usikhulume naye? Khuluma nathi mukapteni. Yeah, uzizwa kanjani ukuwina le tournament?
Angizizwa ngijabule kakhulu namachita because sikhonile noma kunzima sikhonile ukuthi sibhekane nalesimo besinazo. Coach naye esikayile okunye yabo ukuthi balekile ukuthi sifunde indlela amanye ama-team adlala ngayo so khona ukuba beatha ngayo sibona ama-weakness abo.
So you think ni ready for ilo kanje i-league manje?
Was ready.
Okay. Any message ofuna ukuyisho kulabantu benicompete nabo and including also nama players endlala nawo ngale tournament?
Kulamanye ama-player lawo besidlala nawo ngasho ukuthi angapheli umoya ngoba kuyenzeka vele izinto efana nalezi ukuthi enye team iwine ku-final yabo because angeke ukuthi every time kuwina team eyi-one kumele sinikane amathuba nabo next time bangayiwina i-tournament.
Kusho ukuthi kuya ngokuyimisela.
Kuya ngokuyimisela.
Okay. Bazizwa kanjani amajimbosi ngokuwina wonke amajimbosi?